Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with just enough setup. Confirm your iPhone supports Animoji and open messages to a conversation. Tap the app drawer next to the text field to reveal the Animoji icon. Once done, switch to the front camera so your face is visible. Make sure the area is well lit so the true depth system can map expressions. You're not configuring settings now. This step gets you into the composer where your facial movements will drive the Animoji in real time. Next, pick your character. Tap the Animoji icon and swipe through options until you find the one you want. Position your face in the frame and use exaggerated expressions so the true depth sensors capture eyebrow, mouth, and head movement. This is why alignment matters. Press the red record button to capture up to 30 seconds. Speak clearly so the voice syncs with lip motion. When recording finishes, review the preview. Make sure the timing and expression read correctly before moving on to send or save. Finally, send or save your Animoji. Tap the blue send arrow to deliver it in the thread, or press and hold the preview to save it to photos if you want to reuse it. If you prefer personalization, edit an emoji for closer likeness before recording. If tracking or audio fails, make sure the true depth sensor isn't blocked and the front camera is clean. If problems persist, force close messages or restart your iPhone, then retry. These quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.